Xiaomi Civi will have two front camera and field shape cutout in the middle. Let's check out more based on Pillager please over PVO. Hello friends, give me to jump back again on my video. Please for example, now we are moved into the information about Xiaomi Civi will have two front cameras and field shape cutout in the middle. Let's check out more. Xiaomi said yesterday that the Civi will be unveiled on September 27 during an event in China that start at 2 p.m. local time. The business also displayed the smartphone packs, which featured 3 cameras, the main one of which is a 50 megapixel camera. Today, Xiaomi showed us the front of the Civi smartphone and provided some additional information regarding the main camera. A field-shaped notch in the middle of the screen on the Xiaomi Civi and a field-shaped notch in the middle of the screen on the Xiaomi Civi will house two 32 megapixel wide angle and 32 megapixel ultra wide cameras. Some of you might be reminded of the dynamic island phone on the recently unveiled iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, but that's interactive, so it's unclear whether Xiaomi has created anything with the field shape cutout on the Civi. The Civi won't be the first Android smartphone to include a field shape important. The Civi won't be the first Android smartphone to include a field shape cutout for selfies camera. It's important to note several Android smartphones, notably the Realme X50 Pro, have field shape cutouts in the past. They were just not positioned in the middle. Having said that, Xiaomi has confirmed that the primary camera on the Civi will feature the same 50 megapixel Sony IMX 766 sensor that we previously saw on the Xiaomi 12, albeit with an f1.8 rather than an frame 1.9 aperture. The Chinese company added that the Civi's primary camera's light input has grown by 101.8% and its taking speed has increased by 144% when compared to its predecessor. With a 246% boost, the night photo capture speed sound even more astounding. Xiaomi also alluded to binary eyes atmospheric portrait, but provided no further detailed machine translation from Chinese. The Civi will support Dolby Atmos according to an image supplied by Xiaomi, and the top bezel small flash module will be placed on either side of the cutout in the shape of a field to assist users to capture brighter picture in the low light. Well, it's really great about the camera, amazing. With a complete presentation of the Xiaomi Civi still 5 days away, you can anticipate Xiaomi to release a few additional characteristics of the smartphone to generate excitement around it. The Xiaomi Civi is said to be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Generation 1 SoC. And that's it, the information, so a little bit of information based on my filter praise over about the Xiaomi Civi will have two front camera and a field shape cutout in the middle. That's it, my friend. Hopefully you enjoyed and like it about this information about Xiaomi Civi. And thank you very much for watching my video based on my pleasure praise over. And I'll see you next video and about all the stuff and all the way information based on made by me based on my pleasure praise. Hopefully you enjoyed and like it, my friend. I'll see you next video. And peace, God bless you all, cheers out.